Alliteration in a slogan is where the first letter of some, or all the words start with the same letter. For example, Jaguars, don't dream it, drive it. Many well-written alliterative slogans have a memorable ring to them, as well as a catchy flow, making them powerful slogans for startups and large companies alike. So let's get started. You'll need a pen and paper, or a device with a blank document open. Naturally, you'll need to know your business name too. Get ready to press pause, because this is a fun step-by-step process, which allows you to create your slogan while you watch the video. We'll let you know when it's time to pause the video in order to write. Although you require a reasonable level of writing ability to write a brand-recognizable slogan, we've made the process as straightforward and fun as possible. We believe in you. A quick, initial note. There are many ways to write an alliterative slogan. This is just one of them. If you find yourself organically trying something different as you follow the steps, great, go with it. The end goal is to write an effective, powerful slogan. How you get there is your own personal journey. Enjoy. Step 1. Brainstorm words related to your business. To begin with, you're going to do some fun brainstorming. Just write down any words that relate to your business, products, services, benefits, etc. At this stage though, you're not worrying about choosing a particular letter to repeat. Using the Google brand as a working example, here are the words we're going to brainstorm. Search, find, empower, ease, solve, solution, information, connection, learn, discover, thrive. Your turn. Please pause the video and brainstorm words related to your business. Step 2. Choose a repeated letter, then brainstorm more words starting with that letter. Can you see a letter that's been repeated in your list? If the answer is yes, list all the words starting with the repeated letter. Then, add more related words to that list, starting with the same letter. Using our working example of Google, we can see a few words starting with the letter S. They are search, solve, solution, and we're going to add 2 more, succeed, soar. If the answer is no, I can't see a repeated letter. Choose one of the words from your list that you'd like to work with. What letter does that word start with? Whatever the letter is, add more words to your list that start with that same letter, words that relate to your business. With our Google working example, if there hadn't been any S words in our original list, we may have wanted to start from scratch with the letter L, because the word learn was in there. We could then have added words like live, love, laugh, locate, launch. Please pause the video and choose your letter, then brainstorm words starting with that letter. Step 3. Write rough slogans using some of the words you've brainstormed. Now is the time to start playing around with slogan ideas, based on your brainstormed words. Looking at your list, choose a few of your words, and string them together in any way you like. Remember, you're just brainstorming for now, so don't worry if they don't look or sound great. Using our Google example, we've written, from search to succeed, search, succeed, soar, search, solve, succeed, your search, your solution, your success, search, solve, soar. Your turn. Please pause the video and write some rough slogan ideas. Step 4. Choose a preferred slogan, then tweak and edit it until you're happy with it. In our working example, we're going to choose search, solve, soar. We like this slogan because it conveys the idea that finding your answers on Google helps to solve your problems, and in turn, improves your life in some way. Your turn. Please pause the video and choose your preferred slogan, changing it in any way that you wish. Step 5. Check, flaunt, leverage. This next step involves making sure you haven't accidentally created a slogan that's too similar or identical to another company's slogan. To do this, search the intellectual property database within your country, and contact them if you have any doubts. See the video description for links. If your slogan is good to go, consider trademarking or registering it, and flaunt it to the world. Leverage it by placing it on all your marketing material, including business cards and your website. Congratulations! And remember, we have more videos on how to write other types of slogans on our channel. Wishing you continued success in your business and life.